stunning, wide open tall grass prairies, sand prairies with unique plants, wetland prairies bursting with life. These are all amazing sights to see and lovingly taken care of by scientists like biologists and naturalists. But what are some smaller, less noticed ways that you can help keep the Iowa prairie from becoming extinct? So Karen, what are some things that people in Iowa can do to protect and preserve our prairies?
Well, one of the things that farmers can do is prairie strips. We
Okay.
have some prairie strips at Neil Smith,
Okay.
and they are strips of prairie in a farm field. So
Okay.
the prairie plants help slow down the water,
Oh,
so
sure.
that reduces erosion.
Okay.
It also helps with pollinators and wildlife that can live in those little strips of prairie in the middle of a farm field.
And all of those things really do support the crop as well, right?
Yes, it helps keep the topsoil from eroding away, and it also helps keep the water clean in our streams by
Oh, yeah.
preventing some of the chemicals from getting into the streams.
What can families do?
Families, anyone who has a little piece of land or a flower pot can grow some prairie
Oh.
plants. So you can just grow plants that will help pollinators and other insects. It'll also help keep the plants alive.
So what will people do when they visit Neil Smith?
There's all kinds of things to do when you visit, just walking the trails and watching the wildlife. One thing that we have volunteers help with is collecting seed to
Oh,
help us grow more prairie.
what's involved in collecting seeds?
We go out and just find some of the seeds of the native prairie plants that are ready to pick, and
And then they'll get replanted right here at Neil Smith,
yes, we plant them here.
Excellent.
That's where we get the seed to plant farm fields.
right? If you want to make a difference in preserving Iowa's prairies, keep learning about them. Feed your curiosity by exploring a prairie near you close up. Stopping, observing, and caring. These are the keys to a future full of healthy Iowa prairies.
Funding for Find Iowa has been provided by the following supporters: